In this part of the element, I'll be giving you some frameworks which are used by the best communicators in the world to inform or persuade their audience. They are time tested and taught at the best institutions for effective communication. I was fortunate enough to practice these frameworks at Harvard, and truly they work wonders. Now, take for example, we'll take the first condition as informing. Like when you want to inform, what should be your framework? ये frameworks क्या है? ये आपको 100% मैं आपको assurance देती हूँ, if you go through these framework, आप inform और persuade करने में तो कभी fail नहीं होंगे. So first we'll go with informing and then we'll go to persuasion. अब आपको अगर inform करना है, when your mission is to inform, the topical pattern shines as the simplest and most effective method. This framework allows you to organize your content logically, ensuring that your audience can easily follow along. Whether you are presenting a talk, introducing a new idea, or sharing your latest research, this pattern will help you convey your message with precision and clarity. Remember, one of the key elements of the topical pattern is repetition to ensure that your audience grasps and retains your main message. This doesn't mean being monotonous, but rather you have to be creative enough to reinforce it. I'll discuss with you in detail. Let's go to the structure of it. उतना heavy नहीं लेते हैं, चलो एक बात करते हैं that let's break down the structure of the topical pattern into preview, body and review. चलो डिनर डेट पे चलते हैं. क्या करेंगे डिनर डेट पे? What do you generally order? A sumptuous starter, a satisfying main course and a memorable dessert. That's it. Topical pattern भी ऐसा ही है. It has a preview, that's the starter, body, that's the main course, and the review, your dessert. चलो शुरू करते हैं preview से. That's the introduction part. Start your talk with a captivating introduction that sets the stage for your talk. This is your chance to grab your audience attention and give them a sneak peek of what's to come. उनको कोई एक hook idea दो. Begin with a compelling story, a surprising fact, or a thought-provoking question. जैसे समझ लो, just an example. Do you know that by the end of this decade, 90% of the Asians could be suffering from diabetes? आया ना हुक. या फिर do you feel your parents have more energy at 40 than you do now? Have you wondered why? ऐसे statement से start करो. That's your hook statement. Then go to the purpose. That is, clearly state the purpose of your talk. जैसे after giving the hook statement, today I am here to inform you about the revolutionary benefits of adopting the vegetarian diet. Okay, your purpose is that. Then the motivational statement. Make it clear what is in your talk for the audience. Like, don't worry, I'm here to help you stay safe and healthy, and I'm confident you can do it. But आप होते कौन हो ये बात करने के लिए? So the credibility statement has to be there. Establish why you are the right person to speak on this topic. For example, with years of research and hands-on experience in this field, I have all the insight that you need. ठीक है, that will be your credibility. And then an overview कि पूरे जो आपका talk है उसमें रहेगा क्या. Provide a brief outline of the main points you will cover. For example, we'll explore 3 key benefits of adopting vegetarian diet, like how it's economical, the health benefits and how it is environmentally friendly. Okay, you can use one or more of them depending on the time limit and the audience that you are facing. टाइम लिमिट कम है तो आप सबको ना लेके एक दो पॉइंट्स को ले सकते हैं. टाइम लिमिट ज्यादा है, यू कैन एक्सप्लेन ऑल ऑफ देम. ये हो गया आपका प्रीव्यू. अब बॉडी ऑफ योर टॉक में आते हैं, द मेन कोर्स. ऑर्गेनाइजिंग योर कंटेंट इनटू क्लियर डिस्टिंक्ट sections is very necessary, each focusing on a specific aspect of your topic. This is where you can give a detailed and authentic picture of what you are talking about. For example, the body of the talk on adopting vegetarian diet can be like, as I told you, the first section, economical benefits. So in that, you can explain how it can be pocket friendly, attach some data, research or results of how it is economical. Second topic, you may go as the health benefits, where you can explain how it controls the cholesterol and reduces the risk of chronic diseases, or like you can explain how it can give low calorie count with more fiber. Again, you can go for the third topic, like how it is environment friendly. Like explain how it reduces the carbon footprint by 50%, or explain how it reduces the destruction of ecosystem, the chemical use, and reduces the adverse effect to climate. This can all be the part of your body. And then the conclusion, that's the review. As I told you in the first part only, that you have to repeat as to what is your main motive. So recap the main points that you have already covered. Like today we have explored the 3 most important aspects of choosing a vegetarian diet in our lifestyle. Okay, so we have repeated it. लेकिन आप एक चीज देखो, मैं सेम स्टेटमेंट नहीं रिपीट कर रही हूँ. You have to be a creative enough in this one. Remind the audience of the purpose of your talk. I hope you now see how adopting vegetarian diet can be a game changer for your health and economy. फिर से मैंने उनको याद दिला दिया. Or you can emphasize the benefits of your solution or idea. Like, by understanding and embracing vegetarian lifestyle, you can secure your health and financial future. But end with a strong statement and call for action. That's very necessary. Like, what are you waiting for? Join my team to build wellness rather than to treat diseases. Okay, in this way. So that's how you are informing. And then you're going for the call for action. मैंने जैसे बोला था, I love activity time. And I'll make you do it because practice. 3P, practice, practice, and practice. Now you can create your own version of thoughts on this topic or any other topic of your choice. Amalgamate the preview, body, and the review to come up in your own way of enjoying your dinner platter. That was on a lighter note. You can incorporate all or few of the points in each section depending on the time you are allocated for your delivery. Record your talk. Listen to your recording in 3 different ways, as I had already explained you. The first one will be what? For the content, that is the audio mode. Second one will be for the delivery, that will be your video mode. And the third one will be for the overall impact, that will be the AV mode. How well were you able to keep your talk informative and captivating? Share the video with well-wishers or mentors for feedback. But remember one thing, within each section, repeat the key points to reinforce your message so that you can go back with your punchline in their mind. They should carry the punchline with them. Use stories, examples, illustrations, data to support your information and make it more authentic. Remember, topical pattern is all about structure, repetition, and clarity. A quick recap of the framework is given in the notes section. Please check it out for clear understanding.